everyone, today I'll be showing you how to do a tie. Now, you will be doing a tie in secondary school or even primary school for your business when you're older or just for your work experience maybe. So, let's just start it off. This part will be the bigger end and this part will be the narrower end. Now, make sure your bigger end is lower and your narrow end is higher than each other. And then overlap each other, the bigger end should go on top. And then make sure your bigger end, goes through and goes like this. Make sure you pinch it well. And then this part of your bigger end tip should go through. And make sure the narrow end stays away from the big end when you're doing this, and pinch the narrow end well, and it should be pulled so it's tight enough. Then your bigger end flips over like this, and then your hand should weave through, making sure that this is still pinched, and then it should suck in like this, and then it should end up like this. Now, you make this a bit bigger, so then your bigger end can go through, and then pull through this part, and then it's like in here, and then this part, your narrow end, you can pull it so then it's tightened up here, and make sure it's pulled well here, and this is curved at the top so it looks like a tie. Keep on pulling it until it's good enough, and pull this until it's very high. Now make sure if you have a badge, try to make it in the middle, just so when you wear your blazer, it looks visible. If you don't like the narrow end hanging out, slot it in through your cloth. So there's your tie. This is the Half-Windsor tie. There's also double Windsor and triple Windsor. Once you're done with your tie, you should fix up your collar so that the edges round here are covered. Now I've got my blazer, and you fix up this. And let me get my glasses. And off I go to school. I've come back from school.